into the next. Build myself from scratch, all in the touch. Let go of all my this and that. I had to go up fast, but I learned it ain't all bad. Bitten and bedridden, let me get rewritten. All of my pages have been ripped out. Talk about making a statement, I know who I am and I'm ready to bite back now. Don't wanna let it take the best of me. I'm used to letting things toxicate me. And now I feel like I can finally breathe. Never wanted something to you. Bite back, bite back. Never wanted something to you. Bite back, bite back. Never wanted something to. So stupid to live like that. I was so stupid to live like that. I was so stupid to live like that. I was so stupid. I was so stupid. Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Never wanted something to you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. No. Never wanted something to. I was fumbling, juggling this world inside my mind all this time. Just trying to learn to read between the lines. Oh, I broke down early, let all my failures hurt me. Got me all scared to go out on